Welcome. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to stop other people's posts from being visible on your Facebook page using the latest Facebook web update on PC. If you've ever noticed posts appearing on your profile that you didn't create, this quick setting change will give you full control over what others can see. Let's get straight into it. First, open Facebook on your computer using your preferred web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Click on your profile photo to open the account menu. From the drop-down menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand more options. Next, click on Settings to enter the main settings page. Now that you're inside the settings area, look at the menu on the left-hand side. Scroll if needed and find the option labeled Page and Tagging. Click on it to open the related controls. In this section, you'll see different settings that control how people interact with your profile. Look for the option that says, Who can see what others post on your page? Click on that option. A small selection box will appear with different audience choices. To fully restrict visibility, choose Only Me. This ensures that any posts made by others on your page are visible only to you and no one else. After selecting Only Me, make sure to click Save to apply the changes. And that's it. From now on, you'll have better control over your profile, keeping unwanted posts private and maintaining a cleaner, more personal page. If this helped you, feel free to check out more tips to improve your Facebook privacy and settings.